Hey everybody! What's up and what's good, YouTube and World Wide Web, man? It is a scorching hot day in Houston, Texas. It's your host with the most, Paul Cantu, the Thrift Guy. Bestowing thrift blessings once again by bringing a brand new trip to the thrift to you guys. Now, I must say, I was dropping off all the orders from Thrift Heaven, my website today, and bro, I swear the post office like mail dropper offer machine sounded like a freight train about to hit somebody. Let's get in the store. All right, y'all, we're live in the mix, and already I got some grails, bruh. Okay, well, this definitely isn't a grail, but it's an essential Bacardi tea for all you guys who like getting slizzard off the liquids. You got a true blessing with the Jesus of Nazareth V-neck, bro, with the two-tone sleeves. Are you joking me, bro? This shirt just goes hard, man. Homie is just decked out, and there's like golden snowflakes. Perfect. You also got a little Tommy for your mommy. Subtle, sexy, it's alright. But this shirt is the grail I was referring to. Bro, who created this shirt? You have the Dragon Ball Z backwoods collab. That sweet aromatic. Oh my god. Y'all cannot lie, bro. This is the best anime collab of all time, and it literally is an anime character. Bruh, this is $1. Like, come on, man. I live life to find pieces like this. Amazing. Oh, don't get it twisted, man. We got the full Chirac starter pack, the True Religion tee, 25 bucks, brand new. And then you got the True Religion jeans, 15, 13, look at that big Buddha, that straight C, boy. Fuck you mean, boy, it's like just strumming. All right, there's nothing more depressing than going through all these t-shirts and only finding two things. Low key though, got a new pet in the building. This guy's swag is just formidable. You got the Geico promo tee in the olive green, but then check this out, man. This store is just smoking absolute dick. Look at this, you got the Sierra Vista, beautiful Arizona Harley tee, and then you flip it on the other side and you're just met with this. Oh, tripping.
Personal foul, tripping.
Dang, daddy, they got hella wife beaters in this thrift, and I'm not talking tank tops, I'm talking Ray Rice. Oh my God, not like this, not like this. Stay out them elevators, man, straight up. I can get behind this for the children. Got the Winnie the Pooh piggy bank. $2. Bro, every twice in a while the toy section actually comes through. In this bag, this dude with the purple trousers, nice lavender kind of color scheme. And what are those, like Muppet pubes? Anyways, it's a Master of the Universe He-Man 1981 Mattel figure.
He-Man, Mossman, Skeletor, and Triclops figures, each sold separately.
So I think I'm gonna get it. It's like $3. That's all I want out of this whole bag. Which is unfortunate that I got to get all this other, you know, bullshit debris in here, but it is what it is. Tripping. Oh, guys, I was just about to talk trash about this store. Then I see the ultimate sneaker grail just hanging out. You have the vintage starter, $2 dad shoes. Yo, I'm not even kidding. I saw these at an estate sale one time, and I really wanted them just because they look hella fly, bro. And now we found them for $2. My size 12. And then right next door, you got the little King Griffey Juniors. One time I wore these to class, and then this whole area crumbled, and the shoe was just flapping, slapping the back of my heel like I was talking to somebody with my shoe. But anyways, for $2, I'll take the starter kicks, man. Yo, this is crazy. Wingardium Leviosa, head ass. You got the Harry Potter vintage hat with the Scholastic on it, straight out of 2003. I guess this was like a piece of book fair merch. I don't even know, but hey, man, that's a blessing, not a curse. Hey, look at these two, man. They rolled out a new rack. You got the Adidas Bayern, well, I was about to say Bayern Munich, Real Madrid jersey, Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, that thing is peeling off. Hey, this jersey is still super hard. Speaking of super hard, you got the San Antonio Spurs basketball jersey. This is like a play on the old starter jerseys, except it's not a starter jersey. I don't even know what brand this is, but that's absolutely fire, all embroidered. And then you also have the Houston Astros silver colorway jersey, size extra large for $3.
Oh, drill, y'all.
Oh yeah. And they got the AP jersey as well, Adrian Peterson, man. Nice. Oh my God, guys. I didn't think that store was gonna hit at all, but it came through in the clutch, fourth quarter. With all these finds, man. That is absolutely nuts that I got that much stuff in the store. And also, did my van just morph into a Toyota Sienna? Like, what the hell is going on? Is that a Honda Odyssey? What we got going on? Oh, there it is, baby. Woo, I got concerned for a second there, Daddy. You guys know I keep them throwbacks on me in vehicular form as well. Anyways, let's proceed to the next spot.
I put my Lambo on cruise control. My seat's spicy, spouting red like a chili bowl. I might throw some Spanish rice at a centerfold. I can ball like Troy Aikman at the Super Bowl.
And we have arrived, my guys. Family Thrift on Hillcroft Street, the plug. Anyways, I don't know why the first find is always an alcoholic beverage piece, bro. That's just the theme of the stores, I guess. But you have this high quality Miller Lite Sports Club. Bro, just get schloggered and play like tag football. That'll turn into tackle eventually. Y'all know how it goes. Bro, super old school. I love the design. Right next door to it too, you got the Chicago Wolves. That starter. Why would this match those shoes I got perfectly? I gotta start doing thrift fits for real. The wolf is all embroidered. The letters are screen printed 1994. This graphic is nice. And what is this? That's like a damn clavicle protector, like an Adam's apple sternum like holster. The hell? Oh, when something's looking like feces, usually it's that heat. Yup, facts. You got that vintage Carhartt jacket. This thing is distressed to perfection. Perfect. Just look at the fade on that joint. Ultimate big body at the fullback position. They got that Mike All-Star jersey. Trucking.
And All-Star rumbles. Oh, boy. Finish him.
Oh, straight out the Wuhan lab, bro. Look at this genetically modified organism, this little GMO, the Chicago Blackhawks. What the hell is this? Hey, that's kind of fire though, on the cool. To go with my True Religion jeans, you have the logo athletic. Look at that jewelry. Chicago Bears embroidered NFL Pro line piece. Hold up. Ooh, I can combine this little rodent of a wizard with my little Harry Potter hat and I have a full thrift in this bitch. Size extra large. Look at that cool tag, man. Oh, there it is. Stroke my cactus. It's lit. Look at this Arizona tee. Oh my God. Hey, this colorway is just amazing. Oh, bro, checks over stripes? That's what I like. Look at this Nike. Except the eye is a dude literally shooting up a jumper. This thing is bootleg as hell, but also very cool. Okay, it's blatantly obvious. They got the Chicago shipment in. What is up with all this Chirac shit? Someone explain to me why the best collabs are with the most bullshit brands, bro. The Hot Cheeto Forever 21 collab, you guys know, man, with like 2 washes, this thing's gonna disintegrate. Low key, it is fire though. It could have been done a little bit better, but hey, you know, dangerously cheesy.
Dangerously cheesy.
Good God. Shout out Montauk, New York. What in the hell, bro? Got a great white about to take down a whole Spanish galleon or some shit. Wow. Dude, it's not even close to being cold outside yet. And I'm finding all these Crewnecks. Bum Equipment Aqua. Bum Equipment Magenta. And then you have this bitch over here waiting for the perfect man. Oh, the hooded.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
I seriously have no idea what's going on with these Crewnecks. They're popping. You got the Jaguar just cuddled on a log crewneck. You also have this Look Park one that I found. I don't know what that means at all. You have another one. Jaguar or cheetah. I think that's a jaguar. Mira, mira. Papa Pitufo. Orale. Well, it's official, guys. I just nutted. Grail grabbing season. Oh my God. I had to breathe in some Corona for this. Totally worth it. Check out this banger of a Grail. Oh my God, bro. You have the size XL. Starter that goes harder. Are you joking me? Mighty Ducks baseball jersey? Man, I just saw the striping and piping. The starter insignia just poking out on the rack and I knew it was something. Man, I hope this fits me right, but it does look pretty large. Guys, I am so blessed. Ah, that's quacktastic.
That's quacktastic.
Jesus, I need to do some tag research. This piece looks like it's at least, I don't know, I want to say 80s at the most, but this is a old school Pittsburgh Steelers piece. Thing looks like it was hand drawn with like a damn Sharpie, bro. Like, what's up with this helmet, dude? Whose head is that? Oh man, new school but still cool. Look at this Spider-Man all over print. Hold up. Hold up. My senses are tingling. Is that guess? Oh no, it's the next best. That Coogee. Oh, with the seagull. Mine? Jesus Christ, guys. I am cooking in this car right now, man. Somebody preheat your damn car oven to 350 degrees. That's what it feels like up in here, man. Would y'all take a bite though? That's the real question. Would you take a bite of some oven baked Cantu? I think yes. All right, next spot, man. This family thrift that is painted horribly. There's still no sign of improvement, and it's been a month. Tripping. All right, we just jumped in here. Somebody explained to me how I just found a Houston Rockets James Harden jersey, bro.
Under 2 to play. Harden, step back, puts up the 3, got hit, shot's good, and 1!
Are you kidding me? My size 44 Nike. It's not like embroidered, but it's that thick screen printing. Are you joking me? If I leave the store only with this, it was worth it, man. God damn.
James Harden double team and a chance for a 4-point play.
Oh, they got that Cactus Jack Reese's Wilson collab basketball too. What's up? Ain't no lie, that was a swift little pit stop. I'm so glad I got this Reese's peanut butter ball, because this bad boy is gonna make a clean display with all my Travis Scott cereal boxes. So yeah, man, 2 quick and sexy finds up in that store.
I'm in the NBA, you in the D3. Can't even make the D League. You tried out in Italy and got sent home.
All right, y'all. We're live in the next spot right now, man. Family Thrift on North Durham Drive. Y'all know what time it is. And we have the rap tees, or I guess the reggae tees. This was $1, no one bought it. I don't know why, or $2, excuse me. No one bought it. Double-sided, it is newer. It's a reprint, colorful and unsaturated. Very nice. Yeah. This is my philosophy for a reason, bro. The sleeve never deceives. You got that Nautica challenge? Oh my God. It got that J-class hand. I found about 3 or 4 of these in my thrift career. Also, this is kind of nice. Little vintage crew neck, got that eagle on it. And then I saw another sleeve that just caught my attention, man. Just hooked me like a damn fish. Oh, reel me in, daddy. Look at this. Tukuji, Faguchi, vacuum water color scheme. Roundtree and Yorkie. I don't know why they threw that E on the end if I'm not supposed to say it though. Tripping. Absolutely scrumptious. Look at that satin sexiness. You got that Bud Light. Crack one open, baby. Made in USA. Wouldn't have it any other way. And then you got the Stop the Violence Houston Police Department tee. Bro, how you gonna tell the people to stop the violence when you guys are the ones being violent? Makes no sense. Tripping. Sleeve is poking. Sleeve is, oh my God. That Tommy for who? For your mommy. Look at that. All knit in there. Oh my God. Thank goodness I know how to read today. Nice little half zip. Oh, I'm blessed. How are these things back to back? This isn't even fair. Look at this. You have the beautiful, this magic moment, star encrusted. Am I an astronomer? Yes. NBA champion, authentic T-Mac jersey.
Oh, McGrady just blew past Robinson and then slashed to the rack. Are you kidding
All
me?
embroidered, size XXL. Got some slight little spaghetti stainage in the letters. But man, this jersey goes way too crazy. Is that hair? What is that? Dang, looks like a 3-year-old took a big pin of this. Tripping. But what I'm saying is back to back, bro. You also got the Mickey sketch tee right here. God damn, man. Hey, you guys can take some fit advice from my boy Big Mick. Oh, that fool watches Star Trek too. St. Thomas. My dear Lord. It looks like I'm being blessed from doggy heaven. You got the Georgetown Hoyas crew neck. Look at his dog. #1 swag, hat, 2 chain. This man is steezing. I go hard in the paint, Pat Ewing. Hang. my God. It's just like a heat section right next door. You got the Chaps Ralph Lauren. All knit American flag. Aim small, miss small head ass. That's nice. Looks like Easter came early this year, Playboys. This Chaps polo looks straight like an Easter egg. And then look at this. Vintage Nike, just do it tee, made in USA. It's weird that it's a medium. I guess it's like a youth medium or maybe like a women's crop top. I'm not exactly sure. It's so fire. All right, I think we have the ultimate find of the day. Not just the tap shoes in my size, but you have the Polo Ralph Lauren, made in USA. A to the third power, that's cubed, baby. America's Cup 1992 jacket. Oh my God, size extra large. Just look at the detail, bro. This is absolutely beautiful. Man, today has came through for your boy, Miracle. Let's wrap this up then. I'm about to head out. And the last crowning jewel in this thrift store is the Dallas Cowboys Super Bowl 95 championship ring gem. Oh, I just sneezed, man. Oh, no, that's how odorous this gold is. Wow, this is from Super Bowl 30, as you guys can see. Oh my Lord, what an absolute grail. Praise God. You dig?
Killing these songs, leaving them bloody like Parustu. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.